Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have had a really relaxing day today, Chris and I. This is Boxing Day. Everyone else in the family had all their own plans, so Chris and I have literally just chilled out, and it's probably the first Boxing Day ever, I think, that we've certainly, you know, not had anybody around. Obviously we've got the little doggies, got our dogs, so it's just been lovely, just literally chilling out. One of the presents that Chris gave me for Christmas was a gel nail kit with the, you know, like with the lamp, so that you can cure the polish under the lamp. So I've been messing around with that today, and I've done my nails with that. You'll see that in this video. One of the presents that Chris got from one of our friends was a build yourself a clock. He's done that, so I'll show you a little bit, some pictures of that. But it's been really lovely, just chilling out. We've been in our jammies all day, picking little bits of food. I've been having a few gins. Chris has had some vodka and lemonades because we haven't had to go anywhere. We haven't had to drive or anything. So yeah, just a chilled out, relaxing day. Anyway, take a look at the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye. Yeah, hi guys. I've got a really glittery polish on, so very difficult to get off. So I'm using these nail clips that I got in Poundland. I have previously shown them in videos. They're incredible. Just literally put your nail polish remover on little cotton pads. This is the one that I've used, and just pop these onto your nails, leave them, come back to them, and look at that. It's just amazing. And then just go over with your cotton pad. And this is just demonstrating that I did use the little pusher backer thing for the cuticle. Now this is the base coat. So literally I just popped the base coat on, following the instructions. And once I'd put the base coat on, then I put it under the lamp. And there we are. I'm just showing you the nail polish that I'm using, this gel polish, a really pretty Christmassy red. And then once I've put a coat of this on, then I popped it under the lamp again. Then I did a second coat under the lamp. There you go. You can see me still putting on the polish. I dread to think what I'm going to be like with the other hand, because of course I'm working on my broken arm at the moment, so I can do that with my good hand. And then on the ring finger, I'm just putting some gold glittery gel polish on. There you go. And now I'm popping on the top coat, and once I've put that on, I'll do exactly the same, and then just pop my fingers under the lamp to cure it. And then I thought I'd add just a few little gems, so I've decided to go for some red ones just to pop onto the gold. I was a little bit candid, but hey ho. And then I applied some more top coat to it, and then popped my nails under the lamp again so that I could cure that. And now I've just applied some of the cuticle oil all over, and voila, there you go. That's my first attempt of doing my own gel nails. Oh, and this is Chris. He's getting stuck into the little clock. These are the nail polishes that I actually wore, and this is what the nails look like. There you go. I think they're quite good for my first attempt anyway. And here we go. This is Chris just finishing off the clock that he made. And here you go. This is what it looks like. I love it.